Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing safe and doing well. As you can see from the title below, this is a unboxing video and this is from Prada, and I'm very excited to share with you what I got. To be honest, I think this is my first ever Prada, and the model is something that I've never actually had before, which I'm really excited to use and to share how I go with it. But yeah, so ignore the Bottega bag right here. This is actually just a teaser. It's not actually mine, it belongs to my husband. He got something for himself, but I'll do a little unboxing clip at the end to show you what he got. So yeah, let's get started. Right, so as you can see, it comes in a huge paper bag. So I'm just gonna take it out right there, and I'm pretty sure you can see what bag this is. It comes in a beautiful dust bag. So Prada doesn't pack any of their bags in a box anymore because of recyclable purposes, and they mentioned that some of the customers, they don't really want boxes, so they just decided not to give out any boxes in their next purchases. But yeah, so here we are. Look at it. It is so beautiful. So this is the Prada pannier bag in medium size, and this one is in the gray color, and obviously a very beautiful neutral gray. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, there's a tiny dent right there. So to be honest, I actually had gotten 3 different bags to look at before I actually picked this one out, completely new, and they were having some sort of dents in the middle, which is a bit weird, and obviously I was going to take those. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how things turn out with this one. So this is more of a top handle bag rather than a bucket bag. I mean, that's what I saw on the website. It's more of a top handle than a bucket. But yeah, as you can see, the handle just stays on there right there. And there are 2 huge compartments right there with a magnetic closure right here. So let me just take out what this one is. I'm like with the strap. It is how deep it is on the inside. Fits quite a lot of amount, to be honest. And there's a middle compartment here where you can see your phone, which I have the authenticity cards right here. And that is actually a tag from the inside that I just took it out, which I will take that off. And yeah, I mean, look at this one. How beautiful is it? I quite like it because in the inside it's a black lining instead of red. If you got the one in black, then the inner lining will be red color, which is so gorgeous. But I already have more than enough black color bags for myself, so I just decided to go for the gray one because I've been looking for a bucket bag, and I really like the Chanel 20 Cruise in gray color, and this one has met my expectations. It's sort of a buckle bag for me. It's gray. I can use this daily with a tag right here. You can put anything in there, I'm pretty sure, but it's pretty empty. And so yeah, it's beautiful. As you can see, the Prada tag right here, but in the bag it's a bit of a dent right there, but because I'm gonna hold it this way, so I think it wouldn't matter that much, and because it's been compressed in the stock room, and then they told me that over time it will just get a bit more smooshy, if that makes sense. It gets a bit soft after, and then with the magnetic closure, that's how you close it right there. And in the bottom, I quite like that, you know, bags that have some holding metals, you know, some stopper right there, just to avoid getting dirty for the bottom of the bag. That is quite beautiful. And so here are the straps. So straps. Oh no, full string. So these are the beautiful straps that I got with the bag. And you can adjust them. There are 4 button closures on there, but I was advised to carry it on this buckle right here because it's actually the perfect length for me to carry it crossbody. And because if you pull it too long and then there's no extra hook right here just to secure it. But yeah, that works for me, and I think I will just carry it on the handle like this, or across my arm, which I'll put in the photo in and show you that I took it in the store when I tried it out. So it comes with gold hardware, obviously, and then I'm just gonna okay, so here we go. The bag in its full glory. Really excited to get more use out of it. And yeah, so I got this one in Hong Kong dollars, would be 18,900 Hong Kong dollars. I feel like, I was debating between getting a jewelry bangle from Tiffany, which was about 17,000 Hong Kong dollars, compared to this one. Then well, I've been having my sights on a bag for quite a while, so I just thought I would take the plunge and pick this one. So yeah, I'm very excited. It smells amazing. So yeah, I'm really excited to get more use out of this, and I'll report back on my use of it, how I find it, and any wear and tears after that. So yeah, very excited. And so for the final quick unboxing for my husband's accessory, was from Bottega. Sadly they don't provide any boxes as well, so they came in a paper bag, which is quite something, I would say. I don't want to carry it, but I guess I have to. Right, so we're all good, and it is a belt. So my husband got this one in the dark brown color with the signature Bottega print. This one is in a 2 cm, I think 2.5 or 3 cm, bit long. And then he got it in the size 85, 85 waist, which is what he got, with the silver closure buckle right here. It is very casual, but at the same time I feel like it's essential. It's one's outfit, and because he goes to work a lot wearing belts and pants, so this one is perfect. And yeah, I'm really excited for him to try this one on, and we will report back on how he likes this. So yeah, alrighty, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know if you've gotten any new bags or accessories and you'd like to share them below. Let me know, and also please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.